Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Google Forms. To get started, you want to be signed into your Google account, and then you want to type in the search area Google Forms, and you want to click the first link you'll see here. So you want to go to Forms. As you can see here, we have a blank, and we can create for contact information, we can create for RSVP, and we can create forms for party invite. We can also create forms for t-shirts sign up. You want to go ahead and click on blank. So once you're here, you want to first of all double click here in order to rename your form. And you want to click here to write any description that you may have about this form, and perhaps any instructions that you want to give. Alright, you want to type the instructions here. You want to click here to type your first question. Let's say your first question is for them to give their name. You can just simply say name. And you want to choose from the list here if you want a short answer, paragraph, which is a long answer, multiple choice, check boxes. Alright, so I'm going to go for short answer. So you want to check this box if it is required or not. So I'm going to check this box to let them know it is required, okay? You want to click plus here to ask another question. Let's say your second question is for them to provide their email. Alright, you want to go here and select the kind of answer you want. If it is a long answer or a short answer, I'm going to go for short answer. Once you're satisfied, you want to click here to add another question. And here I want to ask the question, have you subscribed? So the first option should be yes or no. Alright, and you want to click outside to save your changes, okay? And here it is also required, okay? This is also required, okay? I want to go back and check that. Okay, this is also required and required. You want to click the plus sign to ask another question. This time around, I'll ask them to leave me a comment. And sorry, we didn't choose something here. Here, we will leave it at multiple choice, okay? And right here, I just want a short answer. For this question, I just want a paragraph, because they may have a lot of things to write about. You also want to make this required. Let's say this is all the questions that you have to ask. You want to go ahead and click on the eye here to preview what you've done. So as you can see, all these questions are required. They have an asterisk here indicating that they are required. Let's say you're not satisfied and you have other things you want to add to this form. I'm going to go ahead and click this icon here, this pen icon. Let's say you want to change the theme of this look. I want to go ahead and click customize theme. And here you can choose the theme color. If you don't want blue, you can change it to something, let's say red, alright? If that color identifies with your company. And you also want to choose an image for the header. Let's say what you're doing has to do with music. You want to choose this as your header and click on insert. You can also change the background color and also change the font style. I'm going to go with playful. Okay, you can also click here to see all responses when they start coming in. Alright, and once you're satisfied with everything, you want to go ahead and click on preview again. So right now you see we have every changes we have made. Our text have been changed. We now have this image here. Alright, so once you're satisfied with everything, you want to go back to edit, and this time you want to go ahead and click on send. So you can send via email, Facebook, or Twitter. And you can also send via a link. Alright, you can just copy this link and send it to them. So you can just enter your email address here. That's it for today. This is how to create your Google Forms and share them to whoever you want to share them to. Remember, you have to check this box to include your form in your email. So you enter your email here, and you want to check this box to include the form in your email. Once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on send, and that will send everything. This is how to create and share Google Forms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.